Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Sanur Beach Harbour. If you want to know the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will update Sanur Beach Harbour. Where is a lot of people, they go and back from Sanur to Nusa or Lembongan, Bali. You see, there is some people just back from Nusa Penida. And if you see a lot of motorbike parking here, it means like lots of activity today. Lots of people go to Nusa Lembongan, or they just been back from Lembongan to Sanur. And if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very clear and blue ocean. Okay guys, if you want to support this channel, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video, because I believe there is a lot of people missing Bali. Okay, there is Sanur Beach and it's closed during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. We call like PPKM. Okay, now we reach Sanur Beach. It look empty. It's normal because Sanur Beach is still closed at the moment, so the beach look very empty. And actually today I will pick up my customer from South Africa, and she just been back from Nusa Lembongan. You see, very white sand and very beautiful. You see the boat at the front? They just arrived from Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Penida. You see the ocean? It's very beautiful, isn't it? Also the beach, but it's empty. I mean, no people make holiday in this area because the beach is closed. Only people who want to go and coming back from Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Penida. So this area like pick up zone, who people waiting for their customer, and as me too. You see on the video, there is look bit busy, isn't it? There's people who just coming back from Nusa Penida and Nusa Lembongan. And my customer be in the last boat in left side. I just waiting for her. And actually, I don't meet her. It's around 7 weeks ago already. She just stayed there in Nusa Lembongan. I think she loves that place very much because the beach in Nusa Lembongan is very beautiful. Is anyone been here before? Yeah, this is the harbor to go to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan. But usually there is a lot of tour before the pandemic corona. They go to Nusa Penida. They start in the morning around 7:30. They jump down to the boat and then they make a day trip in Nusa Penida. East part or west part? For west part Nusa Penida, you can go to the Clinking Beach, Angel Bilabong Beach and Broken Beach. Also you can go Crystal Bay Beach. And the east part tour in Nusa Penida, you can go to Diamond Beach, Tree House and Teletubbies Hill. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Sanur Beach Harbour. Oh, okay, now I can see her. Just jump down from the boat. Hi, Carrie. It's right here. Where's your bag? Where's your bag? How are you?
Yeah, good.
It's been a long time I didn't see you. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.